All right, so I've showed you how to save a text file and a CSV file. Now I'm going to show you how to save the Excel file. This is a little trickier. So first thing we need to do, we need to load in our data as I showed you in the last videos. If you've not seen how to open an Excel file in Python, go up to the video. I like to have a quick look at it when full. And let's have a quick look at the head. Okay, that's what the data looks like. But what happens if we wanted to transpose this data, right? Wanted to have it in a different format, different direction. Excel data dot, and then you can put dot T, that transposes the data, just like that, super easy. But we want to save this as a variable. So we can then save it. So we're gonna go trans, there's a joke in there, trans Excel data, or we'll just call it trans Excel, saved. Now, you're going to have to install something called XLS Writer. I had a bit of a problem saving this. It isn't as simple as saving a CSV or a text file. Funnily enough, Excel products aren't easy. So what you need to do is, if you've got the Conda package manager, just Google Conda install and then XLSX Writer, and you'll get this page, and then just copy and paste that into your terminal or your Anaconda prompt, depending on what one you're using, and it'll install. I had to look it up. I had a problem. See, everybody looks things up. So once we've got that, we just create new Excel equals pd.xlwriter and then brackets, then output file. So that's what we're not going to call it output file. That sucks. We're going to call it trans Excel. Trans Excel, not with a capital E. We're not branding it. We don't work from Microsoft. And with engine, we have to set the engine, right? So use the engine XLSX Writer. Can't say it. Then you want to do the trans Excel to Excel part with, this wouldn't work if I don't change this to new Excel, and then we do new Excel dot save, and it worked. Spent me like 15 minutes trying to figure out how to get that to work because it wasn't as easy as the others. But that's how you save an Excel file. So hopefully you'll be able to use that now, right? Well, by the way, sheet name I think is a little bit obvious, but you can name that whatever you like. We're just going to name it data.